what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon bonded by 4 straight lines. Quadrilaterals are parallelogram, rhombus, kites, and so on and so forth. Now, example 1. Construct a parallelogram PQRS such that PQ is equal to 7 cm, QR is equal to 4.5 cm, and angle P, we have to construct angle 135 degree. Also, construct the bisector of P. Construct the bisector of PQ and locate X where the two bisectors intersect. Now measure XR. So the first thing to do to sketch out P is 7 cm to Q. Then you are asked to construct angle 135 on P, 135 degree on P. So 135 on P, 135 degree on P. Then your QR is 44.5 centimeter. Then you know that parallelogram is also have equal side, but is in this form, bend like this, or it can bend like this. So if you are constructing angle 135 degree on P, that means you'll be constructing the same on Q, so you'll be able to have the same bend. So now let's start. The first thing is to rule a substantial line. Rule a substantial line first, then get 7 centimeter, which is for point P and Q, 7 centimeter. Always start from 0, please. Point P and Q, which is 7 centimeter. Now the next thing to do is to construct angle 135 degree on this and construct the same way here. So how can we construct angle 135 degree? Is the addition of 120 and 15. So that means we have to construct 180 like this, then arc of 60, also another 60. Now we have to bisect this 60, bisect it and get 30, bisect another, bisect again between that 30 and get 15. So 15 plus 120 is 135. So now let's bisect. Let's do the same thing here first. Let's do the same thing here. The same thing. Get it? Also, now we want to bisect here now. Yeah, bisection. Get. Also, let's try it here too, which is this, and let's try it here, which is this. Now let's rule it now. Let's rule it out. And rule this. So now what you have to do is to bisect here now. This point, which is 30, bisect and get 15. Also this point, which is 30, bisect and get 15. So now we can make use of this arc. Also put it here, pin it, and arc. Automatically that is 15. Also can make use of this arc, then this arc can make use of it. So we roll it out now. Also here you roll it. So let's do it one. Okay, so this is 135 degree here, 135 degree, which is the addition of 60 plus 60 plus 15. So the next thing to do is PQR. Say R is 4.5. So if QR is 4.5, also this PS will be 4.5. So what we do is to measure out 4.5. 0 to 4.5. 0 to 4.5. So put it and let it touch you for us to get the radius. So this is 4.5. Put it on Q. Arc, which is this side. So that is PQR. This is R now, which is what? 4.5 centimeter. Also put on P and this line, which is this, which is 4.5 centimeter, which is PQRS. So here is now X. So now let's rule it from S to R now. See, if you rule it and you measure it, you get 7 centimeter too between S and R. 7 centimeter. That is it. 7 centimeter. So that means this is parallelogram, which is having the same equal side. 4.5, 4.5, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So we are done with the first construction. So the second one is construct the bisector of QPS. QPS, that is QPS. The bisector means from here to here. So let's construct the bisector, which is from here. Bisector. And you see curve. Then to this particular place, since it's QPS. So this is the intercept. Then you now rule it. Always rule very well. Let the line long. So this is the bisector of QPS. So construct also the bisector of PQ, and we locate that X at where the both bisector intersect together. So let's bisect PQ. That is the equidistance between PQ. Now look at it. Up, down. Also P. Up, down. Which is this and this. So let's rule it. So this is the first intercept and this is the second bisector. So this is the point of intercept, which is X. So we have done that. So they ask us to measure Rx. So that means from R here, this is point R to X. That is point R to X, which is this, like this. So let's measure it now. They ask us to measure Rx. Rx. Let's measure it now. It says centimeter, which is 6.1 centimeter. So if your one is 6 centimeter, if your one is 6.2 centimeter, if your one is 6.3 centimeter, is still correct. See you in the next episode. Thank you.